Hello, today we are going to look at how to use a hanging indent in Microsoft Word. Supposing you are writing your project and when you get to the references and you want to use the AP star. So in AP, you have to use a hanging indent. So for this example, these are our references. So you select all your references. So you select all your references. Then you go to your paragraph grouping. Then you look for the paragraph launcher, this. Then you click on it. Then when you are here, you go to special. So under special, you make sure you click on hanging. So you select hanging. Then you make sure the spacing before a 0 point and after a 0 point, and the line spacing is also double. But this is where you have to pay attention. Under special, you select hanging. Then when you are done, you click on OK. So when you can, you see that your references will be using hanging. So this is the first person, this is the second author. So this is the next reference, this is the next reference. So this is how to use indentation in Microsoft Word. Thank you.